Okay, flip it over. Flip the box.
Why?
Because I said so.
What are you gonna do?
If you don't, I'm going to poke a broom in the side of it.
Okay. No, Dad, what are you gonna do to me?
I'm going to poke a broom in the side of the box if you don't flip it over. Hurry it up. Flip it. There you go. Other way.
Oh, stuck on the couch.
Flip it. There you go. Flip it.
I can't. No. Not that way. The box is falling apart. Ah! Ouch! Dad, what are you doing to me?
Flip it. Hurry it up.
Oh, what?
There you go. Do it again.
Why? Dad, I need more tape.
Flip it.
What are you guys doing? What's so funny?
You.
Is this it? What's so funny?
You.
I'm gonna kill you all.
You look like you're being born again.